Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to run TikTok ads and track purchases from your Shopify store, this video will show you exactly how to integrate Shopify with TikTok ads in 2026. So in today's small tutorial, I'll make sure to show you and explain to you how to do so. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, number one, make sure you open your device. You are fully connected to the internet. Go all the way to Shopify.com, open the website, log in using your email address and password. Then we're gonna go basically to store here the main menu and look for the settings or gear icon. So we can actually access the apps and the sales channels. We wanna make sure that everything is looking good here. So basically, as for now, I don't really have the TikTok app yet, so we're gonna go all the way to Shopify App Store, tap on Shopify App Store here, then go all the way and look for the app. Okay, we're gonna hit enter, and here you go. So basically for you, you're gonna see this version. All you're gonna do now, it's not available for me since they're gonna tell me isn't compatible with your store, but for you, you will be able to install it and actually access the TikTok app. All you're gonna do next is connect TikTok account, log into your TikTok account ad when prompted, then choose the business center. Select the correct TikTok business center and add account. Then go all the way to Pixel, create or connect your TikTok pixel for tracking. After this, enable the advanced matching. Then your product will be synced automatically. Just allow Shopify to sync the products and it will be done. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.